We are launching Law and Poverty, Perspectives from South Africa and Beyond, which is a collection of essays, all papers delivered last year at a colloquium on law and poverty held here at Stellenbosch University.
The significance of this book for South Africa at present is at a critical juncture in its transition, in the transformation of society. The ANC has indicated it wants to focus on the second transition to greater economic and social development. And it is in the context of these debates, given deep levels of poverty, wide gaping inequalities in society, that the question arises, well, what can law and legal instruments do to assist in this second transition to democracy?
It basically covers a very broad perspective on poverty from law. So, with other words, what law can do in alleviating poverty, what law's take is on poverty, and covering a very wide field of different areas of law. So we've got land reform, for example, we've got equality perspectives, we've got administrative law, socioeconomic rights, housing, access to water, so a very broad legal perspective on poverty.
I think the book is very topical because of the Department of Justice and Constitutional's developments expressed intention to review the transformational impact of court decisions. And the book therefore highlights the critical debate about the role of the courts. It's a very hot topic of debate at the moment. What is the respective role of the courts versus the executive, the administration, the citizenry at large, the private sector? And I think the book, many of the essays in this book engage with how the courts can try and stimulate responsive mechanisms from government without taking over the functions of the other arms of government.
We've got a wide range of contributors to the book, a number of heavyweights internationally and locally. As well as a number of upcoming emerging young scholars.
Well, one of the key themes of the Millennium Development Goals, which the HOPE project speaks to, is the elimination of poverty, the delivery of basic social services. And the law faculty's contribution has really been to do research, engage in public debate, workshops, of which the colloquium was part, to look at law's contribution to this Millennium Development Goal, and also to train a new generation of young lawyers to engage in public interest work and in law's engagement with questions of social justice.